What's up, JMO fam, and welcome back to the Daily Dose of Nature. Today we have a dried up bush. It's not alive, but it was the best I can find out here. If you're wondering why I'm in a weird location, you'd be right. But I'm in South Carolina right now because in the morning tomorrow, I feel like you might see me in a place called Myrtle Beach. It's pretty cool, yeah. But mostly, this day was pretty uneventful. Just in the car for like 12 hours today. I want to give a shout out to my friend Ben. I met up with him over at Wake Forest. That was pretty cool. Yeah. But that's pretty much all I have to say. Just getting this done real quick since it's like 10:45 p.m. right now. And this is the best I can do for natural light. So you better be grateful, but that's pretty much all I have to say. See you tomorrow, JMO fam. Peace out.